You clicked on this video to learn how to cook the best jollof spag in town, right? Let's get into it. We start by getting our ingredients prepped, and our first order of ingredients is plantain. I bet you didn't know that getting your ingredients ready before cooking saves time and makes you a better cook. Use the same oil you fried your plantains in for flavor. Add your onions and blended pepper, throw in your crayfish and fried fish. Don't forget to add your pomo. Let it fry for a minute. Add your tomato paste. Fry for a minute also. Add water to your mixture, and while that is simmering, add your preferred seasonings and spices. I was craving something spicy, so I added Cameroon pepper just to kick that spice level up a bit. Finally, you add your spag and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes, and this is the result you get. I'm going to let the food do the talking.
That's cool. This is fantastic. So delicious.
Imagine your food being so sweet it renders people speechless. If you enjoyed this video, which I know you did by the way, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one on Tuesday.